Cheers. Whoa. Would you take a look at that, fam? Would you take a look at that? Blood on the streets. Here we go. Here we go, guys. This is what I was waiting for. Finally. Here's what I was waiting for, guys. What's going on, my fam? Welcome. I'm extremely tired. I worked today. I just barely finished eating right now, and I was looking at my phone, and I'm like, whoa. There's so much to talk about right now. Sadly, I couldn't be live, for Trump. I was working, but how you guys are doing right now? Better days ahead. 100%, brother. 100%. Let me go ahead and bring this one right here. Man, what a day. It's been a long day for a lot of people, 82,000 BTC. 88,000 BTC earlier today. Let me go ahead and move this one right now. Getting ready, everything. Guys, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. Welcome, welcome. How's everybody doing right now? I can already guess how we're doing for sure. Under $2 XRP. Well, this is not surprising. This is not going to be surprising, right? There's BTC. I got some money there, so woo! There we go. Oh my, oh my. The price of XRP was 223 at around 3 p.m. And the price of BTC was $88,000, guys. $88,000, that's not bad actually, but I mean, look at that. There you have it. There you have it. Hey, what's up, Carlos? Good to see you, buddy. Welcome. John 316 in the house. What's up, everybody? What's up? What's up? Welcome back. Oh, boy. There we go. Under $2 XRP is officially happening in just... There it is. Ooh. Wow. Would you look at that, everybody? Liberation Day. Do you guys watch it? I was watching it, while I was working a little bit. So there's going to be a lot of tariffs, right? For a bunch of different countries. Don't you know, dump it up. You got to dump it up, and don't you know, dump it up. We already have a decent 6% dump for the price of BTC, guys, right there. Look at that. And the price of XRP, we have a 10% drop. Wow. The only thing to wonder, guys, is this gonna stop? Is this actually gonna stop at this level, or we're going much lower? I'm gonna ask you right now in the chat right now, fam. And if you hear me a little bit, tired, so it's because I am very tired. Just finished eating, so I just looked at the price and I'm like, I need to talk to my fam. So that's why I'm here. So look at this. In honor of today's, I got double blood on the streets. Double blood on the streets, everybody. So smashing the like. There you go. Under $2 XRP. I saw it. I saw it. Cheers, fam. Are you buying? I got about 5,000, guys. Guys, I mean, I got some money to spend on BTCC. I'm going to show you right now. Let me open everything, everybody. I'm literally just kind of trying to get my I'm trying to get my brain to work on this because look at that. Look at that bloody. Oh boy. A bunch of different cryptos right now are bleeding, bro. Let me take a look at hot Solana, bro. Look at Solana, bro. It's also dead, bro, right now in the water. More deals, man. Okay, let me open up. Drew, what's up, brother? We ain't winning. What's up, Basil? Happy to see you and welcome back. Start the poll right now. Welcome, everybody. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel. No matter what happens, we are still here and we are not leaving. 100% we're not leaving. So is 190, 198 or 190 bottom for XRP? Question. What do you think, guys? Let's start with this first question while I get some creativity right now. Okay, let's go ahead and start talking about what happened a couple hours ago, okay? In the meantime, I mean, that's a delicious price for BTC. Should I buy a little bit, maybe? Because I mean, anything low 80s is not a bad idea, you know? So let me tell you what I did. I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. 100%. What's up, Suarez? Glad to have you, buddy. Welcome aboard to the channel. Lower is you're telling me right here. Lower. Wait for a little bit of a lower price. So I've been waiting, you know, to buy some crypto. Earlier today, I did purchase a little bit. Thankfully, you know, I purchased a little bit of Bitcoin, so that's good. But I still have about 5,500 I have left. And what I want to do, guys, is I just want to buy the dip. I want to buy a really nice position that it's in the blood, you know. Buying more under 170, you're saying. Got it. Yeah, man, it's like you just want to make sure that you're not buying the top, you know. I told you, fam, that I kind of want to have a 1 Bitcoin. So I'm building my 1 Bitcoin, you know, balance. Once we get that 1 BTC, I should be good to go. I don't really want to plan to have more than 1 Bitcoin personally right now. Thank you, buddy, for the kind donation. Appreciate it. What's up, Quinn? 70,000 Bitcoin is what I'm hearing. 70,000 Bitcoin, man. I'll go ahead and open up more in just a second right now so people can see, you know, if we're going to be going back to the blood on the streets. But this actually happened at 5 p.m. So if we go to the 1 hour candle, there it is. There it is. So finally, you know, after a while, we got a under $2 XRP. It's been a while, you know, we've been waiting a little bit. There's a $2. So I guess a lot of people were right. You know, we just had to wait. Trump spoke about an hour and a half ago or something. And I mean, obviously, a lot of people were speaking on the effect in the economy, the effect in the market. Right now, the market for stocks is closed and it's going to open tomorrow. So I think you and I already know what could happen once it opens. Do we expect more blood on the streets tomorrow, you know, once it opens? Well, probably. Now, this comes without saying, guys, we already knew that more tariffs is going to add more pain to the market. And there's a lot of conversations to be had, you know, on next to. We have the price of XRP right here, so you guys can check it out. Let's go to the 15 minutes. But I want to see US increases total tariffs on Chinese goods to 54%. Yeah, because there's a lot of tariffs, man. Like there's gonna be a lot of pain. Here it is, basically. There you have it. I know by now some of you already saw it, fam. So we have China with 34%, European Union with 20%, right? There it is. So that's, I mean, Trump had a nice chart. I mean, had this picture, right? And he was speaking on all of different countries that they were going to get tariffs. So yeah, I mean, nothing we can do about that. Only prepare with our portfolios and buy the dip. Like some of you are saying here in the comments right now, this is not a day to cry. This is a day to buy the dip. If you want if you want to do it, you're more than welcome. But if you're expecting more pain, then just prepare accordingly, right? And then just try to have a strategy where you can leave some moonbags, leave some cash just in case you need to buy those awesome positions, right? Could we have another 170? Could we possibly have a 150, 140? A major big dip for the price of XRP. Oof. Imagine, right? You just made a video stating that there were plans not to go through with tariffs. Mexico and Canada, brother. Mexico and Canada. Listen closely, bro. Mexico and Canada are the two that got exempt because they said no tariffs to the United States, based on reports. But there's many more countries that are not Mexico and Canada, brother. Israel as well. Yeah, Israel also said that they weren't gonna do that. Hey, what's up, Dangerous Dave? Good to see you, buddy. Dips are just an opportunity, 100%. 100%. Come on, first term for Trump, this should be painful. More for the masses to buy the dip. That's because they were removing their tariffs. Yes. I mean, I'm a Mexican, so I understand, that. I mean, Mexico has no chance. Mexico, if you, apply the tariffs that Trump was going to do when he first started talking back in, February, it's over. Mexico is going to go down and it's going to be full with debt, and it's just not going to survive. I've heard some economists in Mexico speaking about the tariffs. Trump was thinking about imposing into Mexico. Mexico has no power to stop that, and the only thing they can do is say, okay, you know what, we're not gonna go ahead and attack you in with tariffs. So no tariffs for the United States, and the US says, okay, well, let's work it out. So we'll see. Right now there's a bunch of news, there's a bunch of updates, and we'll have to analyze everything little by little, piece by piece. But guys, it happened, 198 XRP. You can only imagine all those liquidations, guys, that just happened today. Bunch of liquidate. What's up, Snakey Eye in the house? Welcome back, buddy. Thank you so much for the support, man. Appreciate it. Oscar, if I sell my bag now and I take the $30 loss? $30 loss? I wish I had a $30 loss. Oh my brother, $30 loss. No way. That's gonna make my day, bro. I wish I had a $30 loss. You do whatever you want, bro. It's $30, bro. No way. Oh my, I'm already, bro. I think about it in thousands, bro. I think about it like $50,000 loss, 40,000, 10,000, $30 loss. No, brother. I mean, do whatever you want, bro. I'll give you $30, bro. Send me your wallet. I'll give you the $30, man. No way. Sorry, I'm not making fun of you, bro. It's just like, man, I mean, I don't know if you meant $30,000 loss. That's so amazing. Guys, Who wants a $30 loss here? Please tell me in the chat right now, bro. No way. Oh my goodness. Oh wow. Dude. I mean, I'm like 6 figures down in some positions, bro. You wanna swap? You guys want me to? I give you my 6-figure position down. I mean, please. $30 loss, bro. Wow, no, that made my day. That made my day, honestly. Oh wow. Okay, that's it. Can't believe it. Yeah, some people are like, I think I'm done over 100,000. Yeah, of course, bro. I mean, now, obviously, guys, you and I know that even though we're down that massive amount of money, it doesn't mean that you're going to just lose it because we're not selling. Oscar, should I sell 4K XRP and rebuy lower? I don't like that strategy, bro, because you're trying to, kind of like predict what's not happening yet. Things can change really fast. I wouldn't sell my positions because we're probably going lower. No, I wouldn't do that, right? Unless the price of XRP is like $3 and I know that most of my positions are in the profit. But right now, no, bro. Like, you should be in the profit to consider doing something like that. For sure. Oh, man. That was good. We're about to fall down out of more the trend. Next support will lose. This flag is 144. Guys, brace yourselves. It should be good. Remember this comment: when XRP goes to $5, they will cry. Guys, we're holding the line, man. We're holding the line, brother. That's what we needed, mate. Some nice fun times right here. Welcome to the 2,400 people watching us right now. I just came as fast as I could. I know the thumbnail might not be the best one, but I mean, that's the first one that I got. And guys, if you bought the div under $2 XRP, kudos, well done. I'm asking you, is the $190 XRP the bottom? And a lot of people are saying no. So just be mindful, right, that the tariffs already happened and we're seeing some major sell-offs. Like, people really want to bring the price down. So let's take a look at the latest that we have right now. What do we have here? How to lose credibility 101. How much was Kirk paid by the Trump administration? What is this? President Trump is reciprocating the charging approximately half of what the other countries are already charging American companies. How could anyone be mad at this? Oh, that's Trump. There it is. I want to listen a little bit because I wasn't able to, broadcast this to you, fam, live. So let's take a look at, what he was saying a little bit. Welcome, fam. Drop a like, smash the like button, guys. Subscribe to the channel, and welcome aboard.
So if you look at that, China, first row, China, 67%. That's tariffs charged to the USA, including currency manipulation and trade barriers. So 67%, I think you can, for the most part, see it. Those with good eyes, with bad eyes. We didn't want to bring, it's very windy out here. We didn't want to bring out the big charts because it had no chance of standing. Fortunately, we came armed with a little smaller chart. So 67%, so we're going to...
That was him, a couple hours ago. It took a while, I think like about an hour or so. And the markets, I can tell you guys, I was looking at it, man. I was here. I was, kind of watching live. I was ready to trade. I was expecting this. So I'm like, okay, it's not happening. So I kept working, but I did buy some Bitcoin. Not at the best price per se. I didn't buy the top, thankfully, right? But Thankfully, it was Bitcoin, not like a meme coin or so. And now I just got a little bit more, trying to get that one. That's my level. That's my goal. For XRP, I'm good. By the time I start buying XRP again, we'll see if the price, like, if there's a lot of people and, kind of like the entire market is heading into more delicious prices, then by the time I'm back buying XRP, we could be seeing some major retracements, just speaking out loud, but it comes to show that it's still in Q2. This is going to be, April, and we're still seeing $2 and 190 XRP, man. Pretty crazy, By now, I think a lot of people watching, you would have watched, all of us would have wanted, a more of a green winning market, but it's not actually happening right now. It happens, man. Man, Oscar, what do you think about the, Matic come down 1,000 plus, but you think I should cut my losses and move to Cardano, Link? It's a great question, man. But if you're thinking about selling right now or cutting your losses, if you're doing spot trading, don't worry about it, man. Non-financial advice, but those questions you should be asking, once we have a nice cycle and a nice bull market, because whatever you sell, you're going to be in the profit. Right now, you're probably not in the profit, right? You're down $1,000. Right now, these are the levels where you're thinking about consolidating and adding and lowering your cost basis, your dollar cost average. People call it that way too. So, yes, guys, it's tough. That's the reason why the XRP army is here watching right now. And Solana, everything. Let's open up CoinMarketCap right here. So the market is down 3%. So what's happening right now, guys, is just 3%. Whole market. Fear, basically. We're at 2.65 trillion. People are taking their monies out. People are freaking out. If you watch the Democrats right now, like MSNBC, CNN, you start listening and hearing from some of the liberals that are going to say that today was recession day instead of liberation day. Today was recession day. Today was termination day. So a lot of people, not only here in the United States, but also abroad, are going to be playing this narrative. And it's just going to be whatever they want to do with it, There will be some short-term pain like you're seeing right now. That's guaranteed. There's just some short-term pain. It's happening right now. Yep. For those of you that are talking about selling now just because the markets go down, you should not be. You should not even be in it. That's the sad reality, right? Thank you, Skynet. Guys, this is not the first one that, the first time that I've seen this market, the charts like this. It's not going to be the last one. If you're thinking about leaving, selling, or cutting your losses when the prices are this low, just think about it like this. Are you trading or are you investing? Because if you're trading, absolutely agree, maybe you want to close positions before liquidation. But if you're long, if you're buying and adding the dip for whichever great project like XRP, don't even sweat it. That's what I do. It may not work for a lot of people, but it works for me. It works for me, guys. The reason is because I'm willing to wait for as many days or as many weeks or as many years I need in order to make my money back. That's what it is. If you find it useful, then use it and apply it to your own positions. Because, guys, we're not leaving right here. We're sticking around until we see XRP. I mean, how many YouTubers are chilling and promoting and going crazy with prediction and this and that? Sometimes you have to do it for you too, but I'm not really a big one in that department. But I just go crazy with the news and the optimism and all of those updates. I do that because I love it. But saying XRP to 10,000 or XRP to 1,000, those ones really get a lot of people, right? Because we want that to be true. But before that even comes to a reality, guys, so many things need to happen. First, you got to go back to 3 and and we got to let all of this tariff conversation start, living. It's just what it is. Like the background. My man. Welcome, fam. Chugging the blood on the streets right now. If you want to start trading, everybody, first link down below, and also the first link at the top of the chat. Join me on BTCC. Send it. And don't you know, pump it up. You got to pump it up. That's exactly what we're going to be singing for those who bought the dip, period. It's the way it is, guys. Don't be afraid. Now, since I saw one of the comments right there saying that I was like my arrogance when I was not, but it could have seen it that way, where we're not making fun of the comment. And I don't even know who was it, but if you're here, what's up, brother? You brought us some joy here in the chat. Someone asked what to do with a $30 loss position, to sell it or not. It was so refreshing to hear that, because it reminds me, how we all started thinking about, okay, I only have $100 to invest. If I sell right now, I'm going to lose $30, so I'll have $70 left. That's so real for so many people, right? It makes total sense. But once you are already in, full all in with all your money, you don't buy cars, you don't buy clothes, you don't buy trips, you just put it all in crypto. You go back to those days and say, wow, how much we grew, how much we have done. And there's a lot more at stake, a lot more money. So welcome to all of those new investors watching us, guys. Man, I remember those days. That was 2020 and 2021 for me. I remember those days, man. Very happy to have you guys. You'll get to a level, right? You'll get to a level where you'll see like, okay, that's a lot more money. So the more you go in crypto, you're going to get extremely disappointed by everybody, because you might look at a project and say, oh, that's a great, phenomenal project, but then the developer rocks you. It happens. So you'll have to get some tough skin in crypto too, but it's all going to be fine. In a bull market, everybody's a genius. So I was happen to be born in crypto during a bull market. So that's why it just felt so great to be in crypto back in 2021. I was buying Ethereum at $700. It went to $2,600. I felt like I knew everything. I didn't know anything. I didn't know nothing, guys. So don't leave crypto just yet, fam. The best is yet to come. It might not make much sense right now, but the best is yet to come, period. Just what it is. Take a look at the comments right now, guys. Welcome back. Ethereum got destroyed. Let me take a look at that. On the also down massively too. Shiba Inu down, Pepe down, Bread down. Ethereum, it kind of went to 1700 again, from almost 2000 to 1700 again. It makes sense. Solana also down, 118. Our whole market, fam, is in shambles. I posted this image. President Trump says tariffs won't be full reciprocal because we're very kind. We're very kind. So I reply with, oh man, things are about to start turning crazy, right? So that was about 2 hours ago. Yeah, 2 hours ago. It's just fun, man. It's just a nice way to enjoy life because today is gonna be a tough one. Please say something. I mean, we got all the way to 88,000. I saw it. I'm like, 88,000 people are buying. Let's go. But immediately, bro, liquidated. Liquidated. A bunch of people got demolished today, bro. What's up, Quinn? Nice to have you, buddy. Welcome. Oscar, you buying more XRP tonight? Sack. Hey, what's up, brother? Right now, I already have some decent XRP backs. What I'm doing, which I've been repeating a while, but it's still fine. I'm adding to get 1 Bitcoin. That's my goal right now. I'm almost halfway there, so I need to get 1 Bitcoin. Once I get 1 Bitcoin, then I'm going to move somewhere else. Maybe more XRP, Cardano. We'll see. I work like this. This is how my mind works, and I feel fine with it. We'll get 1 Bitcoin, and then once that's done, then I'll just move to something else. Just want to make sure that all my positions are safe and sound, making sure that whatever happens in the future, I'm gonna be solid. Rock solid. Welcome to all the new subscribers. What's up, fam? Very happy to see you. Man, it's crazy stuff, bro. It's been a long day today, bro. I don't see any of my haters here too, which if you're here, make some noise. We're down. I'm all yours. Guys. You're drinking the blood? Oh, yes, I'm here. Everybody just needs to touch grass, huddle, and wait. The best is yet to come. 100%, bro. 100%. I'm here. What's up, John360 in the house? Welcome back. You're so funny. Hey, bro. Let me show you this, man. Like, come on, fam. Fam, come on. Like, I don't know if you saw this. I made a video earlier today. Guys, according to the National Cryptocurrency Association, 21% of Americans hold crypto. 21%. Without seeing, I already know, without seeing how many millions live in the US. What is the US population right now, guys? Go. Who has the right answer? US population. 350 million. There it is. Roughly, give or take, remove half of it for people that just cannot use phones or what have you, babies, the elderly. Just remove half of it already. Babies, elderly, all of that. You have 150 million, basically. 150 plus 170 million people. Out of those 170, 80 million people, 21% hold crypto. 21%. You're talking about 40 million, 50 million, roughly 40 to 50 million, guys. Give or take. Let's just from 30 to 40 plus million people. All crypto. Now, why do I say that? Guys, we're so early, guys. So early, man. That's without counting the legal. We're so early, bro. 70 million. That's not too... Bro, that's nobody, bro. That's nobody, man. We're not even 1 billion, bro, in the whole world. You're already buying XRP at $2, man. Don't cry, Oscar. 30 million. Thank you. Yes. Guys, isn't the millions, but still, like, it's nothing, bro. It's a few millions. That whole crypto, according to the Crypto Association here in the United States. So it's not just Oscar just trying to create some new numbers. No. It's not me. And it was reposted by Brad Garlinghouse. Brad Garlinghouse. Now, you could agree or disagree. That's fine. I mean, whatever. Here's the complete report right here, which I'll go ahead and take a look at that one for sure. Man, it's crazy. So, guys, no worries. We're going to get out of this. We're going to get out of this. Now, let's take a look at what people are saying right now. What a day, man. Israel removed all tariffs on U.S. goods yesterday. Today, they were hit with a 17% reciprocal tariffs. White House official: Israel has a long promise to lower its tariff, and we waited nearly 50 years for it to happen. Even Israel is getting tariffs. Even Israel. Oh, that's funny, man. That's so funny, bro. It's like my bags. That we're trying to make money, bro. It's not possible, bro. Help us make money, man. we just been punished today every step of the way. We just cannot go higher in 2025. It's difficult, bro. And here we are wondering how much longer we need to wait. 500 million people hold crypto around the world. Yeah, you got to get outside of the United States to really get those numbers. So assuming it's like 40 million here in the US, go to China, I went to Singapore, guys. I will say another 10 to 20 million right there or so. I mean, it's a lot of people out there who are holding a bunch of crypto. So it totally makes sense to say that 500 million people in the world are holding crypto. So that's a big number, to make anybody rich, but it's still not the entire, a billion plus. We're still missing a few. Traders be like, bro, it's because it's true. It's true, bro. Today was a complete mass liquidation day, bro. Mass liquidation day. Plus, I don't know if you saw the Binance news. They were, kind of like liquidating and manipulating some of the prices in some of the coins that they were listing. So I saw those news earlier today. It was kind of insane. The S&P 500 has now erased $1.3 trillion in 15 minutes from 2% plus to negative 2.5% in minutes. Buckle up. That happened 2 hours ago. Wow. And here you go. Yeah, guys. I mean, there's all kinds of news and updates. Now, there's something when it comes to the largest tax cuts in American history.
And now we're going to pass the largest tax cuts in American history, and that's where we're relying on Mike and John Thune. And we will not cut Social Security, Medicare, or Medicaid benefits.
Woo! It's been painful, man. It's been painful. Oh, by the way, Newsmax exploded in price yesterday and just crashed today, 70-80%. Newsmax was a clear pump and dump. Newsmax, where are you at? Where are you at? Where do I see it? There you go. Wow. Look at that. Started 5 days ago. Was like 20 bucks. Went all the way to $276 yesterday. And right now it's 46, bro. Absolute. Look at this. 77% down today. Whoa. Newsmax, man. That's the Fox News for conservatives. Crazy stuff, man. There's a lot more coming. Manipulated much. $5,600 in 3 hours flat. Beware. Powell speaking. No, Jerome Powell is not that I remember. I mean, it's still in May. That's when the next FOMC meeting we have it, next FOMC meeting. No one made money of that. It was all insider, probably, Alex. Yeah, you're right. I mean, not many people knew, but a lot of people, the insiders made tons of money for sure. I agree. Is 190 the bottom for XRP? It's a close call, but more people are saying no. I just really want to wait for later today when Asia wakes up and is ready to start trading, guys, in a few more hours. Could we see a comeback? Could we see more blood? Because we already have a decent 6% to 7% rejection and retracement for the price of Bitcoin and about 11% for the price of XRP. I'm just going to wait. I have some money left, to buy the dip. But, man, it was brutal so far. We love it, man. It is what it is. Not much we could do. Oscar, I tell everybody to divide how much you want to spend tonight into 4 and then just make a purchase every few hours. Johnny, makes total sense, man. Well done. That makes total sense. Drop a like, fam. Subscribe to the channel and turn on those notification bells. What is going on here? We knew it. Made countless videos about the possibility of a major sell-off. So this is nothing new for some. But it's always great to come here and enjoy the pain together, right? It's always fun to come and enjoy together, guys, because there's not much we can do other than prepare our portfolios. That's what it is. Guys, I have an announcement to make. Guess what? It is official. Your boy is going to Token 2049 Dubai. Praise the Lord. Guys, very happy to tell you that yesterday I got the confirmation. Got my flight. And everything is looking perfect. We're going to be in Dubai. There was a volume competition. We won. Very happy with it. With my agency, with my team. And very grateful. And I'll be representing my entire community there in Dubai. Bringing you more news, more updates, and everything you need to know. All the big dogs are going to be there, guys. The whole big players. Wouldn't be surprised if Trump goes or any of the Trump go. Ethereum founder, Vitalik, CC might go, Chris, Ripple, all the big ones, guys, are going to go. And I couldn't be more excited, man. This is just the time. These are the events. As you guys remember, last year I went to Singapore. And it was insane, man. Singapore is just another level, bro. But now I get to go to Dubai and just couldn't be more excited, bro. I want to say thank you to my entire community, honestly, for allowing me the opportunity with all your support, with all the times that you guys come here and through your comments, just by watching the videos, guys, just makes a big difference. So thank you, guys. And this is gonna be outstanding. You know, obviously so many people, and it's just gonna be out of this world. But just wanted to tell you officially what's happening, and woof, we'll see. You know, we'll see who do we meet, and by the time that happens, because it's at the end of the month, it's now the countdown has started, and it should be pretty exciting. It's in 2049. I know, right? No, that's the name of the event. Well, my fam, I started this live tired, and right now I'm actually almost devastated. I just want to go and relax, head to bed, and sleep for a while. But I wanted to stop by and say hi to all my community and say thank you, guys, and answer some questions. But we bought today, we bought right now, and we're gonna be adding as we continue seeing some lower levels. But I know some of you still have some positions they're holding. Whatever happens, everybody, just know that prices will come back, price will rally, and better get those dips before it's too late. Guys, links down below if you want to join me on BTCC. Start trading and adding some awesome positions, get some bonuses. There's my link to X, where you can also follow me. And right now I haven't posted much because that's for some of these are posts that I made to my subscribers. So I give you guys some behind the scenes updates of what's going on. It's just been a crazy day, so I'm just trying to keep up some of the videos that we're posting, guys. There's BTCC. You click here, and that's the same link that you have underneath this video, and you're gonna see right here, everybody, all you need to know for more trades and more positions, right? Because once everything starts coming back up, all the people who bought the dip will be really excited, and those who didn't will be buying the FOMO. I thank you guys for coming into the channel. Thank you. It's all fine. We'll probably come back later today or so if we see some more things to talk about. But right now, Liberation Day. Trump officially announcing tariffs to the entire world. And we'll see now the pain. We're already paying it here in the markets, but we'll have to continue holding the line, and it all should be fine. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a good one. God bless you all. Be safe. Peace. Let's go, guys. Depression Day. Depression Day. It happens, man. There's not much we can do, man. There's nothing we can do other than buy or not buy, but it's up to you guys. But always, let's bring the people together and have a good time. Cheers, fam. Enjoy.